So we're just kayaking from Dartmouth towards Salcombe. We've just come across this very unfortunate juvenile seagull that was just sitting on the water, and I don't know what's the matter with it. It obviously can't fly because it didn't fly away when we approached. Alright, I'll just let it go and see what happens. Well, maybe it feels safer here.
So you have a new friend. Oh. Shy dog. Yeah, he feel better.
How cute. Oh, poor thing though. It obviously doesn't want to go back in the water, does it?
Yeah. You want to stay on. Seagull. Oops. Bye bye.
Oh, well, hopefully it'll survive.